Oh my god, Alicia, I'm a blonde!
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Aye, flossing and finessing. Aye, flossing and finessing. Aye, flossing and finessing. Aye, flossing and finessing.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be dyeing my hair blonde, as you can tell by the title of this video. So I'm going to do my hair ombre blonde, and I am so excited. I've been waiting for this day for literally years. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm actually using to dye my hair. I will be dyeing my hair twice because I think that is the best way to do it. So these are the first two boxes of dye that I'll be using. These are by Cream of Nature, which are specifically made for curly hair. And I'm using Cream of Nature Ginger Blonde 10.01. And this is their one that comes with argan oil inside. So yeah. And after this first time, I'll be using one that is apparently lighter. And this is called Lightest Blonde. This is from the Cream of Nature hair company. So Cream of Nature is specifically for my hair type, and that's why I'm going to be using it today. So I also have this purple shampoo which should get rid of all the brassy tones, and worst case scenario I will have to use this toner which is called Be Blonde Maximum Blonde Toner, which apparently lasts up to 8 washes. And it's in the colour Ash. So I just hope that I don't come out orange. I also bought myself a little brush and a bowl to mix the hair thingy in. This is the Cream Hair Colour Developer. This is coconut oil, argan oil conditioning treatment. I'm not going to be using that now. This is the hair color itself, and then this is the hair lightening pack. So according to the instructions, because I'm someone who's going to read the instructions, I will have to, okay, I'm going to have to put on the gloves. That's the first step. Nearly forgot about that. Here are the gloves. They actually fit quite well. The cream developer is what everything is going to go into. So I'm going to pour the cream developer into here. All of it. Oh, this bowl seems like it's going to be a bit small. So I'm going to only use one box of this hair dye, and if I need more I'll mix another one out. I thought I was going to have to mix them together, but that looks like there's going to be a lot of hair dye. So this was the cream developer. Make sure all of it is out. Ooh. So I get the High Lift Booster packet. I'm going to have to open this fully, like literally. Ooh. It's a packet of powder, which is, I think this is like the substitute for, bleach, because this hair color apparently doesn't contain bleach. But in my opinion, this is bleach, but like a softer version. Can you see that powder? Like, whoa. I want to keep that away from me because I think that's not good. And then after that, I'm going to mix it together. Oops, some of my hair is in here because I've used this brush on my hair. Okay, so I'm going to mix this together because it says pour the High Lift Booster packet into the cream developer and then shake it. So basically, instead of shaking it, I'm mixing it. I'm like baking cake. I'm gonna squeeze this cream colour hair into this. That is like orange. So I suspect that this colour is gonna be darker than the other box of hair dye. There's so much hair colour in this. This is what it looks like. Ooh. The hair colour stinks. Ugh. Okay, so the mixture is ready. Somehow. Okay, I'm so scared. I don't think you guys understand. Okay, so here's my hair. It hasn't been washed recently, but I did wet it like yesterday night. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to get some of this. There we go. So I've done my first segment and it looks like this. I've just like done it quite high up because this is supposed to be not very light as the box. And I expect it to come out a bit brown. I just hope it doesn't come out orange or like red. So I've had to use 2 bottles in the end, and I've nearly actually completed the process. This is how much I've dyed my hair so far. So I've nearly completed the whole process, and this is how much I have left. Okay, so I've done my hair. I'm just going to add some more of the dye to my hair. Okay, so the back parts of my hair are already starting to lighten up. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're starting to get a bit light brown. I'm going to take this off and check how long I need to keep this in my hair. My hair should take 30 minutes to process, and I'm going to put it in this plastic bag. I'll be back in 30 minutes. So yeah. So guys, it's been exactly 30 minutes, and this is what my hair looks like. Ooh. Wait, let me just take it out. God. Ah! Oh my god, guys. Okay, you might not be able to see because of the way the light is in here, but oh my god. Okay, and this is like the first round, so it's brownish, but it's just what I wanted, you know. Like, it's literally just what I wanted. The shampoo I have is this one. It's a bit ugly right now. It's called Color Revitalize Vibrant Color Protection, so that's good. And then I'll use the conditioner in both of the packets. So it comes with conditioner, and it comes with argan oil treatment to there. So I'm going to use the conditioner from both of these and the argan oil treatment, and I'll use this. If my hair is brassy, I will use the shampoo, but I feel like I will like the way it is right now. So time to wash out my hair. I'll be back after it's done. So this is my hair's outcome. It is like brown. So I'm going to add the conditioner that comes with first. Okay. This is what it looks like. Ooh. This conditioner is thick. This colour was just how I wanted. So then after that, I'm going to be dyeing it like proper blonde. I'm sure that if I left my hair in for longer, it would have went to blonde, but I am just going to do it the safe way. Or I think this is the safe way, and I think this is the best way, in my opinion. But I'm not a hairstylist, I know I'm not a hairstylist, but this is just the way that I prefer to do it. So yeah, I'm going to add some more of the conditioner. I might not even need to use my own hair stuff because this is a lot of conditioner. Yeah, Creme Nature has a lot of conditioner. So here's the conditioner again. Just putting that everywhere, basically. Okay, so I'm gonna need to brush through it again because my hair is a bit knotty. Then, after that, I'm going to be taking the oil. So it comes with these oils. I'm not sure how I'm meant to, like, you know, break it. Oh, that is making my hair feel so soft. I'm going to leave one of the oils for the next time I dye my hair, because the other packet doesn't come with this oil, and there is quite a lot of oil inside one of these little beads, so there's no point opening another one when I can save that for the second time I dye my hair, which is when my hair is going to be like at its most, you know, vulnerable. Now I'm going to dry my hair, diffuse it, and then come back after my hair is dry. Okay guys, so I have dried my hair, and this is the colour of my hair after the first round of dye. So I'm going to be doing another round, and the second round is going to be with this dye because my first round was with this dye. This dye is called ginger blonde, and this one is called lightest blonde. So I can't wait. So right now I put on the thingy, and I'm going to split my hair in two, tie up one, and just hope for the best when it comes to dyeing my hair. So I forgot that I have a little amount of dye left in here. So I'm going to mix it together with the new dye. This is called lightest blonde, because I'm not here trying to waste anything, because we're trying to save the planet. So here is the developer, and mix it together. I think this is safe because they're made by the same company and people mix dye all the time. Yeah. Oh, another thing, I need to put on the gloves. Oh god. So I'm getting my brush and doing what I did before, but maybe a little bit more different. I am actually, oh, this is, ew, hairy. going to add some highlights by going like this. I'm not a specialised hairdresser, so I'm just doing a light amount. So I'm going over my hair with this colour. I am going to stand because I have a mirror at the back and it's easier for me to just stand and show you guys what the hell I'm doing. So I'm just basically putting more on the ends as usual and spreading it up, but then I'm going to do this thing that I saw, which is like putting streaks on the outside. Oh, this isn't really amazing, but we move. Oh. Just like, I don't know what I'm doing, but this is fine. It's fine, like literally fine. So I'm getting the hair again. I feel like my technique is improving, maybe, because I have dyed it for this. So I just know how to dye easier. I found an easier technique to hold my hair. So I'm going to get one and put it all the way down here. One and put it all the way down here. This is like some funky highlights. Ooh, some of this is dropping on the floor. I've heard that once you've dyed your hair, like the one time, it's harder to dye it again because your hair follicles have been opened, your hair shaft is open or something like that. I don't know how to feel, but it's alright because I'm still gonna make it work. I feel like a hairstylist because this is actually working out. I expected my hair to be a disaster, but so far it hasn't been. And also, my hair is longer than I thought. So I had a drop on my face. I can see it's already starting to get lighter, which is why I'm glad that I am doing this in big chunks, to be honest with you. I'm going blonde, I'm going blonde, I'm going blonde, I'm going blonde, 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 blonde. Yeah, I'm gonna set 25 minutes, put my hair in a bonnet and see what happens next. So yeah, bye bye. Okay guys, so it's processing well, but the problem is I tried doing highlights and that kind of flopped, like really bad. So I put toner in it, but I don't think that's helping. I don't know what to do. There's some purple shampoo because I tried washing it out. I might add some more blonde just so that it blends out a bit more. And I think I need a bit more blonde here, so I'm going to use that extra box of hair dye that I thought I wouldn't use on my hair. Yay, fun. I think I've had my hair in for like over 30 minutes. I might keep it in for a bit longer. So this right here is what my hair looks like, and I am going to wash it out now. So I've just washed my hair. As you can see, I will need to use the purple shampoo. I will have to use the purple shampoo. There was something in my throat. Yeah, I'll have to use the purple shampoo just to remove the brassiness. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. So my hair isn't as blonde as I want it to be, so I'm going to add some more of the hair dye into my hair. I have bought the dye. Here is the dye. I know, it is white, literally. Like, that is almost platinum blonde. It is called Helsinki, and it's called Very Light Ash Blonde. It's by L'Oreal Paris. It's their L'Oreal Paris Preference Infinia range, and it comes with color extender. So on the back of the box, this is what my hair is expected to be. My hair's like orange, but it's like that, and it says that my hair color will come out like that. I don't want it that light, but I know that it's probably not going to come out that light because this doesn't even have a lightening powder, and this isn't bleach apparently. So I expect my hair to just be like blonde-ish. I just hope that this comes out nice, you know? Yeah, because I'm taking a bit of a risk right now. So this is about 100 mils, I think. Ooh, my eyes. I can't even do anything. So I've been dyeing my hair, and it's been dyed for 30 minutes, and I put in tin foil and even put a hairdryer on top and tried to speed up the process, but my hair looks like it's the same colour, like literally. And it's been 30 minutes, so I am just gonna leave it in for 30 more minutes just to see, you know, because I'm not trying to waste my money here, or my mom's money, so I'm kind of annoyed. Oh, this is very annoying because it's not changing colour. I might have to bleach my hair because I really want blonde, and my mom's not in, so I'm just gonna have to go to the store quickly and buy another hair dye, and this has to be the last time I dye my hair. So guys, I'm not very impressed because this is what my hair looks like. In my opinion, it has not changed, so I am going to wash out my hair right now and probably buy some bleach, probably 2 boxes, because this 1 box of dye was not enough. Guys, I think I have found the thing that will fix my hair. So I have bought 2 boxes because 1 box is not going to be enough. 2 boxes of this dye. It has bleach, so I'm sorry to everyone that I said I was not going to use bleach because that's going to damage my hair, because there's a fly in here. Get the out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! My hair is too stubborn to lighten to the colour I want without bleach. So although I've done most of the colouring without bleach, it's time to use bleach because everything I've tried has not worked. I'm not going to spend my money on something that it's not going to work. Ooh. actually gonna do this here. So when you do it on yourself, I mean when you do it with a brush, it doesn't smell quite bad. Probably, maybe I'm saying this too soon. Okay, maybe I should actually just do it behind my hand instead of... I feel like my hair's already lightening. Like, look at that. What the freak is going on? Like, my hair's already getting lighter the minute it touches this. So I'm a bit scared. Okay, but it looks peng. It literally looks peng. Okay, so get some more of this hair. Ooh. That's fun. Okay, guys. Okay, so I'll be back when I have done everything, so that I can actually focus more on what I'm doing right now. So, bye guys! So my hair has been in this bleach for 20 minutes and I'm a bit scared to remove it because it might be orange underneath. So I'm like, okay, might just wait 30 minutes fully and then remove it, even though it might end up actually being platinum blonde. I don't know what to do because I did rinse a strand out a while ago and it was like a bit orange, so I was just like, let me just wait. Okay, I'll just wait for 30 minutes and then wash it out. Okay, yeah, I'll be back. Hi guys, it's been 40 minutes and it looks like my hair is actually ready. So I'm just going to put on the gloves again and take my hairbands out, then rinse this dye out. So guys, hopefully this looks nice once my hair is dry and everything. Otherwise I'm gonna be very annoyed because it took me so much just to get to this point. But right now it looks really nice and this is like the colour I want. It's like ombre, but at the same time I still have some of the hair dye left. So if because I dyed this side later than the then this side, so I might just like leave this side to process a bit more, because as you can see this one's definitely lighter than this side, so I might just rinse out this side only and then wait for that side to process. So my hair looks the same. I expected my hair to come out like that, but I guess it didn't. Hopefully when my hair dries it's going to be a bit whiter. It does come with anti-yellow blue conditioner. I am going to read the instructions again. So this is what my hair looks like now. It says, rinse your hair, put the gloves, blah blah blah. Maybe when my hair dries, that's when it will look blonde. And also there is an anti-brussiness, what's it called, a conditioner. So I hope that actually works, because if I do get an anti-brussiness conditioner and my hair dries up lighter than this, then maybe I will come out the colour that I want, but so far I'm not impressed. My hair's literally drenched in conditioner. It looks like I'm dyeing my hair again. I do like the colour my hair is right now, actually. Maybe I'll get used to it. But then the thing is, the conditioner is making it look a certain colour. So we'll see at the end of the video. So after everything I've done, this is the final outcome of my hair. I am a blonde. This still isn't as light as I hoped for, but this is light. I'm actually really loving it. I'm loving the colour. I think it actually does suit me a lot. So I'm happy with the outcome. My curls are still very healthy, as you guys can see. But I did add a lot of conditioner, curly hair products, and I added some black castor oil whilst my hair was wet. But my hair is almost completely dry, and this is what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my long process to getting this hair colour, and I hope you guys like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Bye.